Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be talking about one of the most asked questions from international students, what to pack before coming to the UK. I'll go through everything step by step so you don't miss out on the essentials. But before we dive into the list, I want to quickly share something that can make your move a lot smoother, which is finding accommodation. If you are looking for affordable and safe student housing anywhere in the UK, whether it's London, Leeds, Manchester, or Edinburgh, check out the link for Amber in my description. With Amber, you get 100% verified rooms, live video tours so you can see your room before you fly, bills included, and flexible payments in your own currency. Rooms start from just £75 a week, and if you book through my link, you can also get exclusive discounts on flights, airport pickups, SIM cards, and much more. It's simple, secure, and perfect for students. So if you are planning your move, check out the link and make your accommodation search super easy. Alright, let's get into the packing list. Let's start with documents because they are the most important. Make sure you carry your passport and visa, your cash statement, your accommodation contract, and your medical records. Also bring photocopies of all important documents and keep them in one folder so everything is easy to access on enrollment day. Next, let's talk about electronics. Bring an extension lead with a UK plug, and if you are coming from abroad, you will need a UK adapter too. Don't forget your chargers for your phone, laptop, or tablet, and a power bank when you are traveling. And just remember, all electronics like laptops, chargers, and power banks must go in your hand luggage, not checked baggage. Next, if you are in self-catered halls, you will need some basic kitchen items. A spatula, spoon, scissors, and ladle will be enough to get started. Pack one frying pan and a small saucepan, plus plates, bowls, and a mug. Reusable containers are great for meal prep, and don't forget some spices or seasoning from home. They'll help your food taste familiar when you are missing home cooking. Moving on, for your bedroom, bring bed sheets, a duvet cover, and pillowcases. But always check your bed size first. You will also need a duvet and pillows, but if you don't want to carry them, you can pre-order in the UK through UniKitOut. They deliver bedding packs straight to your accommodation, which makes things a lot easier, and I'll give the link in the description box below. Apart from that, a mini first night kit with toilet roll, soap, and cleaning wipes will save you from stress on move-in day. And finally, photos of family and friends are a nice touch to make your new room feel like home. Clothing is another area students often get confused about. The UK weather changes quickly, so layering is the key. Bring everyday clothes you can mix and match. Make sure you have a warm winter jacket and a waterproof coat. For shoes, pack trainers, something casual, one pair of formal shoes, and waterproof boots if possible. A formal outfit will be useful for events or presentations. If you plan to attend international or cultural events, a traditional outfit from home will also be nice to have. And for the colder months, thermals like tops and leggings are essential. Now on to study supplies. Your laptop is going to be your main tool, so make sure it's in a good condition. Bring a USB stick or external hard drive to back up your work. Some stationery and notebooks are always useful. If your course needs it, don't forget a calculator. You can also bring a good pair of headphones, preferably noise cancelling, which will help you focus whether in libraries or shared spaces. So that's everything you really need to pack before coming to the UK. Don't overpack, just bring the essentials because you will always be able to buy more once you arrive here. And one last thing, if you would like some direct one-on-one help with your applications or you just have specific questions, you can book a WhatsApp call with me. I offer 5, 10 and 15 minutes call starting from just £1.5. The link to book is in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till that time, take care. Bye bye guys.